Hey, it's Mr. Kingsbury, and I'm looking at the Unit 2 example question set. I'm looking at question number 15. Supposed to solve it using either substitution or elimination, and other than question 14, I've pretty much used matrices. So also, from the previous problem, you can see I didn't leave myself a lot of space, did I? It's okay. I think we can work this, and I think it'll be pretty good. So two things jump out at me when I look at this. First, the first two equations both have x, y, and z in them. And they both have a 6x. Keep that in the back of your head. The last thing that jumps out at me is that 8x equals negative 16. So I could solve that pretty quick. In fact, I'll do it over here. 8z, equals negative 16. If I divide both sides by 8, I get z equals negative 2, which is pretty awesome. So that helps me with one variable. But now how do I find the rest? And actually the answer is pretty kind of straightforward. These first two equations both have a 6x. So I'm going to take 6x plus 3y minus 3z equals 12. And from it, I'm going to subtract 6x plus y plus 4z equals negative 14. And yeah, so I'm going to subtract. So 6x minus 6x is 0. And 3y minus 1y is 2y's. Negative 3z's minus 4z's is negative 7z. And 12 minus negative 4 is 26. And right now you're probably going, why did you do that? You still have two variables. Yes, but one of them is z, and I know z is negative 2. So my next thing I'm going to do is take 2y minus 7z equals 26. And I'm going to replace the z with negative 2. So I get 2y minus 7 times negative 2 equals 26. Negative 7 times negative 2 is positive 14. So 2y plus 14 equals 26. I subtract 14 from both sides. I get 2y equals 12, and I divide by 2, y equals 6. Excellent. So I now know that y is 6 and z is negative 2, and I can take those things and plug them into either of these and get x. So let me just do that over here. So we'll go 6x plus, I'm just going to use this one right here, plus y plus 4z. So plus y is 6. Plus 4 times z is negative 2, and that equals 12. If I simplify this right here, which I can do in my calculator, I get 6x minus 2 equals 12. Something about that doesn't feel right. Yeah, I copied it wrong. It's 6x plus y plus 4z equals negative 14. So, yeah, this should be negative 14. Sorry about that. So 6x minus 2 equals negative 14. That works. If I add 2 to both sides, on the left I get 6x. On the right I get negative 12. I divide both sides by 6 and I get that x equals negative 2. So answer, x, y, z equals negative 2, comma 6, comma negative 2, and that was my bell. So I gotta scram. Later, Gator.